How to draw Omanyte the Pokemon, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step of drawing Omanyte today, let's begin by drawing two circles right towards the bottom center of our page. This will be the outline of the eyes. Now on the inside of each eye, let's draw a second smaller circle. Later on in today's video, you'll notice that this will be colored in completely black for the pupils. Now in between those two eyes that we just drew, let's draw a simple small curved line to connect them. Now that we have the eyes drawn, we can now draw the tentacles. In total, we should have 9 tentacles, and we're going to draw one big one next to each eye. And if you're interested in learning how to draw more Pokemon, then be sure to check out our Pokemon drawing tutorial playlist. I'll put a link to that down below in the description. Now below and in between those two tentacles, let's go ahead and draw 7 more that will all be pointing downwards. And at the very end of today's video, I'm going to show a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Next, once we're all done drawing the tentacles, let's go ahead and draw a big shape that looks similar to a circle for the shell. This will connect all the way over from the left tentacle all the way over to the right eye. Nice, so far we're making great progress. Now let's go ahead and draw a small swirl on the left hand side on the inside of our shell. Now on the inside of the shell, we're going to draw lines going from left to right. In total we should have 11 lines. The lines right here will be longer, but on the other side they will be a little bit shorter. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give it a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. Then that way, we can continue to grow our drawing community together. Fantastic, now we're almost done. Let's just draw a small outline around the eyes. This small outline that we draw will be filled in completely black. This is how to draw Omanyte the Pokemon. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub, and if you want to see more videos just like this, then be sure to subscribe because we upload on a regular basis. And we have a lot more Pokemon drawings in our Pokemon drawing tutorial playlist. Great job today and thanks for drawing with me. See you next time! Hey, learn how to drill hub crew. If you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.